video is my last one. I will fall. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So finally, the day has finally come and my racing suit is here. So I got it delivered this morning, so I'm going to do unboxing video and I will try to see how it fits me. But firstly, we have a very serious talk to make. I think this video is my last one. Just kidding. I just wanted to say that we reached 500 subscribers. I'm so happy with it. Everything happened in just 1 month. I have no other words how to thank you. Like, I appreciate every single one of you, every comment, everything, like everyone who supports me. I thought the beginning will be very hard, but you are my drive and you make me want to make even better videos in the future. So thank you. So let's get back to the business and see what I got here. What the hell? I think they sent me some bricks or something. I just hope they didn't mix my order and I didn't get some building material instead of the suit. So let's open it and see what I got here. It's not bricks, so that's good. So I had to make my suit custom made because I tried so many of them, I just can't even count, and nothing really suits me because I'm quite tall and skinny, so it was very hard to find something that suits me perfectly. So I just hope this one does, but yeah, let's see what we got here. Ooh, the colors looks, oh my god, wait. That's my helmet. I wasn't even trying to match them. I thought the colors will be totally different, but look, it matches perfectly. So that's super great. I hope it will suit Ducati as much as each other. But the scariest part is that I hope it suits me well, because I ordered like 3 of them from different places and nothing suit me, so I just hope this one does. Oh my god, it's so heavy. I just can't believe I will have to wear it on my big body, so I hope I will be able to move. Okay, let's move this knife because probably I will cut myself with my luck. Okay, one leg first. Not moving. It's not moving. Oh, my fault. We have a zipper. Okay. Oh my god, my only experience was with jeans and jackets, and this is not my thing at all. I'm already sweating. Let's just turn on the AC because it will be quite a hard video. Oh my god. Good. Now we can continue. I will fall. Okay, second zipper. If I will have to put it on like this every single time, I promise you I'm not wearing it. Big respect for every single one of you who wears gears all the time. Oh my god. After a few rides, I hope it will fit better, because now I just put my 2 legs in and now I feel super uncomfortable, so I think it's too small. I hope not, but it feels like it. It's not moving. Just because I have a big ass. Just kidding. That's just some pancakes and that's it. But I wish maybe one day I will get plastic surgery. from making YouTube videos, and then you will see some good content. It's the lowest I can get right now. Oh my god. Okay, some more zippers. It's so hot in here. Or that's just me. One shoulder's in, so that's good thing, but it feels quite uncomfortable. The good thing is that my neighbors can't see me through the window, because they would say, what the hell is she doing in there? Okay, now my microphone is not in the very good place. But we need to make a good audio because there will be some bad comments about it on Facebook, especially. It feels too small. That's what I can say. The zipper is not moving. I think I need to lose some weight. I'm scared to rip it out. I can't. I ate 2 donuts an hour ago, and I think that was my mistake. I hope I look nice, at least, because it feels horrible. Let's go and look. I will choke myself. Ooh. I still can't move, but it looks quite nice. Let's put my helmet on and see how it looks all together. I don't know how I will drive because I can barely move. It's so hard to move in this thing. Like all video will be just of me saying how hard it is to move, how it's comfortable, how I want to put my jeans back on, and that's it. That's my new bike after Phaser. Just kidding, today is Ducati's time. I'm sorry guys, the bike is a bit dirty. After yesterday I was riding with my friends and actually I didn't have much time to clean it, but either way you will not see the front, so try to make shots of the side and I will try to film something from my helmet, so that should not be a problem at all. I saw this trick. It's impossible. Wait. We had a problem. I can't get on this bike. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh. Just after this move, I think my next episode of this video will probably be of me in the crash. So hopefully not, but we will see. Okay, so now let's just go.
cup though. Cocaine in my nose, got rose in my cup though. Started climbing my pole tree, got me locked in on cup though. Cocaine in my nose, got rose in my cup though. Started climbing my pole tree, got me locked in on cup though. Cocaine in my nose, got rose.
There's a lot of mosquitoes in here, feel like a ninja. But after my first ride with the suit, all I can say is that it feels quite tight. It's hard to move in it, but I knew that before I was buying it. So I think it will take a week or so just to stretch the leather out. So what do you guys think? Do you think it suits me? So comment down below. I'm interested to hear your opinion as always. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to see my future weekly videos. And as always, kisses. Bye.